Welcome to part 2 of the GIMP series, and by that I mean the Photoshop substitute and not the other thing. If you have the time and the patience to spare, go watch part 1 by the way. That is not me trying to plug my videos, although I appreciate the views, but GIMP is so much different from Photoshop and Lightroom that you have to approach it in a very different way. In the first video I go over the approach and then I give you a quick workflow that is just a very easy way to leverage that approach. In this video, we will continue picking at that theme of GIMP is a calculator, and we're going to talk about the histogram. So following the instructions of the first video, you went up into colors, you found info, and you clicked on histogram. I said this was going to allow us to see, and I only explained one little aspect about it that you might have not really found all that helpful. Let's take a real look at the histogram today. Let's expand this out just so we can make it easy to see. The histogram has 3 target regions and 2 extremes. There's the shadows, the midtones, the highlights, and then there's the upper extreme and the lower extreme.